let's do a room tour. Room 10427 on Icon of the Seas.
Hello. Welcome to Interior Plus Cabin 10427 on Icon of the Seas. First impressions, it's weird.
And by weird, here, let's just knock the elephant out in the room already. So, here's the vanity. It looks nice, right? Sure. Charge stations. That's 2 USB-Cs. You got 2 USBs, an international plug. That's all you got right there. You have a closet, kind of, sort of, right there to hang things in. You have 2 shelves with baskets, a safe refrigerator. This is a closet as well. And that's it. So staying in this room for 7 days is going to be kind of difficult because there's no room for storage. But other than that, okay, let's continue. So you come out. This side you have the little 2 shelf thing. There's no power supplies there. You have a king size bed. You have 2 USB plugs right there, which in our opinions kind of sucks because you can't do nothing with them. Over here, there's 1 USB, an American plug. You got another little desk, and you have a chair. So functional there. Just the struggle is going to be storing our clothes, but we'll come back and show you how we do it once we get to that point. Air conditioners, touchscreen, 19 degrees Celsius, is as cold as it gets. Here's the bathroom. It is a cruise ship bathroom. There's 3 shelves right there. 1, 2, 3. The toilet. The shower with the fancy glass door. You got the handle. The towels are in the shower, which is kind of weird. And then you got 3 little cubbies right there. So as Amanda said, this is a deluxe plus inside room, 10427. I think it's going to work, but the storage is going to be weird. Let's take a look how it folded out for us. Alright, so I told you guys I would update the room tour. Once we unpacked, our luggage came, we unpacked. So I want to take you around, show you what we did, because this room lacks storage. So we kind of had to get creative. So, we have shoes there, like that. This basket is our excursion stuff. This is my stuff, like underwear, socks, swimsuits, and stuff. And then, that's what we had to do. That's shorts and t-shirts. And then up here we have polo shirts and stuff like that. So yeah. So if you're staying in this room, just be aware. I mean, we did overpack just because we are cruising during hurricane season, just have extra clothes, but you got to get creative with your storage because it doesn't have a lot. So hope that helps.